Hi guys! Do you know this man? This man right here that won't look up? Sebastian! Where is he? Sebastian, I hate you. I hate you. You little jerk. I don't like you.
I'll turn around to take a picture.
What are you going to do as soon as you get on the bus this afternoon?
He's listening to music. What a nerd. Look at him concentrating. What could he be thinking of?
Oh, that's the phone. That's the phone that
This isn't a phone. It's a camera.
Ew, it's me.
I enjoy long walks on the park.
Long walks on the park.
I like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain. I currently have curly hair. That was like great time. Back to you, Jen. All he did was say, hey.
You know you can
There's our road. Okay, bye.